Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are diving into the iQOO 13 long-time review 2 months after its release. Is it still worth it? Let's start with the design. The iQOO 13 has a sleek modern look with a matte glass back that feels premium and hold up great. The display is one of the great features of the iQOO 13. It's a 6.82-inch AMOLED panel with 144Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution. Honestly, it's been a joy to use. While I am scrolling through the social media, watching video or gaming, the colors are vibrant and the motion is super smooth. And the phone comes with HDR10 support and 4500 nits of peak brightness. And the security wise, the smartphone comes with ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Let's talk about the performance. The iQOO 13 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with up to 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. It handles daily tasks smoothly like multitasking, social media, and even heavy gaming or video editing. This phone never lagged. On the software side, the iQOO 13 running on Fantas OS 15 based on Android 15, and the phone also offers 4 more major Android updates. Now let's talk about gaming performance. I am playing Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile on iQOO 13. PUBG Mobile you can play smooth to Ultra Extreme Plus. That means you can play PUBG Mobile 120 FPS, and Call of Duty Mobile you can play very high graphics and very high frame rate, and you also play medium graphics and ultra frame rate. My gaming experience is excellent and this is flagship processor, so you can easily play intensive game in a max setting. The camera setup on the iQOO 13 is impressive. 50 megapixel triple camera setup, and very soon iQOO 13 and Vivo X200 camera comparison video coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. The main camera you can record highs 8K 30fps video, and you also record 4K 60fps video, and the 1080p stabilization is also top notch smooth, make it perfect for blocking or capturing smooth footage on the go. Main sensor taking a sharp details photo with the accurate color even in a low light and night. The ultra wide and the telephoto lens are also great for different scenario. Over the last 2 months, I have been taking a lot of photos and video, and I am really happy with the result. Battery life has been another highlight. The 6000 mAh battery easily get me through a full day of a heavy use, and the 120-watt fast charging go to 0 to 100% under 30 minutes. So after 2 months of using the iQOO 13, it's still worth it absolutely. It's a powerful phone with a great display, excellent performance, and a reliable camera. The battery life and fast charging are game changers. If you are looking for a flagship killer in 2025, the iQOO 13 is definitely a great choice for you. That is for my long time full review iQOO 13. Let me know in the comment section below your thought. Okay, that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I'll be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.